Pre-Calculus, Part 6 of a video lecture series by Rod Elmore, Mid-Michigan Community College. Hello, my name is Rod Elmore and I welcome you to the world of pre-calculus. As the name implies, this is a course whose main purpose is to prepare the student to take calculus. Along with these students are students taking this class as part of their program, where it is a capstone math course. The different subjects covered in this course are 1. Review of Introductory and Intermediate Algebra. These are covered in chapters R, 1, 2, and 3. 2. Additional algebraic concepts, covered in chapter 4. 3. Trigonometry, covered in chapters 6, 7, and sections 8.1 and 8.2. 4. Vectors, covered in 8.3 and 8.4. 5. Exponential and logarithmic functions, covered in chapter 5. 6. Linear algebra, covered in chapter 10. This class will be the most intellectually challenging mathematics course you have taken. Your success will depend mainly on how you answer the following questions. How well did you understand algebra? 2. Are you self-disciplined enough to do the work? And 3. Do you have time to do the necessary work? What do you need to do to get started? All the material for this class is contained in the weekly packets. Open the Week 1 packet. 2. Open the Week 1 assignment in Packet 1 and begin doing the homework. 3. After reading the lecture, reviewing the PowerPoint presentation, and finishing the homework, take the next quiz. Do not open the quizzes until you are ready to complete the entire quiz. You can only enter each quiz once. If you are accidentally kicked out of a quiz, do not email me. I review the quizzes every couple of days and will reset the quizzes automatically. Often asked questions. 1. What do I do with my homework? Turn it in when you take Test 1, Test 2, and Test 3. You will not get your homework back, so do not hand in anything you want returned. 2. What do I need to do each week? Read the lecture notes, do the assigned problems from the textbook, put them in a notebook, review PowerPoint presentations, and take the quizzes. 3. What should I be using to do my work? You should do all your calculations on the TI-83 or TI-84. This is what you will be tested using. 4. Do I need to mail in any quiz work? Yes. You need to mail or fax a hard copy of the quizzes to me after submitting the online portion. You may correct any problems you missed before sending them to me. Remember that you should view the quizzes as a learning tool as well as a graded course requirement.